Hi, I'm HD with Pacificwide, and I'm standing in what might very well be your next home. Welcome to 2413 HURAN Drive. This beautiful single-family residence situated on a huge lot side with 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and many new upgraded features. Let me take you on the tour. This gorgeous 2-story single-family home offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, situated on a huge lot size of almost 7,000 square feet. As you enter the home, you will find yourself in the sophisticated yet cozy living room. This home is coated with new paint and new floors throughout. There are dual-pane windows for energy and noise efficiency. The kitchen has fresh, updated cabinetry, drawers, and new countertops. Beside the kitchen is a very spacious patio room with endless possibilities for entertainment with your loved one. This home has a built-in central cooling and heating system. As you walk upstairs, you will find 4 good-sized bedrooms for the whole family. On the right side of the home is a huge lot with a double door gate that can easily fit up to 10 cars. This lot is connected to a big backyard that you can have many family barbecue or get-togethers on this private lot. This home is just minutes away from Lion Plaza, Eastridge Mall, and many other gourmet dining restaurants and shopping centers. This home is conveniently located near commuting distance to San Francisco, Fremont, Oakland, and Gilroy. Very easy access to Highway 101, 280, 680, and 880, making your commuting every day much easier. Come home to this cozy, family-friendly community where you can relax and spend time with friends and family in this thriving Silicon Valley. So what do you like most about this home? Location, a huge lot size, or a patio room where you spend many great times with families and friends? This home will belong to the first buyer who acts first. So see you at the open house.